Hey guys, welcome back to Click, and today we're doing an unboxing and review of the Ringke Fusion case for the iPhone X. A big shout out to Ringke for providing the cases for today's video. We're a huge fan of Ringke cases. They're really well made, they last long, they look great, feel good, but Ringke has decided to partner up with us and provide us with a few cases. So keep an eye out on the channel, you'll see the various different ones that they gave us. So here's one of them. This is the Fusion. Let's get into it and see what's what. So we've got military drop standard seal on the top here. We've got Ringke branding. This is the Fusion case, okay, and this is eco packaging. Okay, you can get this from Amazon. Really inexpensive considering the quality of case that you're getting, and the link will be in the description down below. Again, eco packaging and idiot proof packaging. Thank you, Ringke. So let's tear this open, get into it. Nothing else in the bag. Okay, the case itself and a little connect with us card and thank you card. Thanks again. Now comes the hard part, is this thing has got the stickers. Now I don't know if I can do this live on camera, but I will definitely give it a shot. Okay, outside wasn't too bad. Now the inside. Okay, let's see. You know, one thing if I can recommend on these things is if we could just get a pull tab, it would really make things a lot easier. Okay, so there we go. So stickers are off. Let's throw the phone into the case and see what it looks like. Now this is the smoked version. This does come in a clear if you guys don't like the smoked variant. Okay, let me just wipe it up, guys, because my fingerprints are all over. All right, there we go. Clean the screen up. And here we go, guys. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Looks beautiful. If you've got the white iPhone or the gray, but it looks especially beautiful on the white because, well, the white looks better, in my opinion. Okay, so we've got cutouts on the bottom for your speaker, charging port, and your mic. And on this side here, we've got a spot for a lanyard. We have individual buttons for volume up and down, and the tactility is great. We've got your decent size opening for your mute vibrate switch. Nothing on the top. On this side, we have got just your power and a very small Ringke branding right here. I'm not sure if the camera is picking that up. There. Okay. Now you do get a lay-on table, and again it is raised on this side as I was mentioning on the Wave case. Okay, so it's really nice to be able to put it down and pick it up without any issues. Okay, the previous Ringke Fusion cases did have port covers. This one doesn't, which kind of makes it easier. They become finicky to use and they break off, so this is kind of easier to use in a sense. But it would have been nice, seeing as this has wireless charging. You might not even need the charging dock itself, the lightning cable port. But anyway, it is what it is. All in all, I think this is a great case. It keeps the form factor of the phone itself without having to get too bulky, and it looks great, guys. Look at that. Just looks absolutely amazing, and I love it against the smoked sides, which kind of mellow out the polish, which I'm not an overly big fan of anyway. So this is definitely a case. This might become my new daily, depending on how things go. Well, daily being, I have such a wide selection, so daily is a relative term here. But anyways, guys, if you got questions, comments, do ask them down below. The link will be in the description. And again, big shout out to Ringke for providing the case to us. Again, appreciate you watching. I'm out. Peace.